The National Backyard Gardening and Hobby Farming Program is giving Saint Lucians a chance to grow their own food while bringing agriculture into more homes across the island. Prime Minister Philip J. Pierre is urging people to pay closer attention to food safety and produce more of what they consume as Saint Lucia works to strengthen its food supply.
Incentive reform and investment policy. Mr. Speaker, we will review the Fiscal Incentive Act with a view to reduce subjectivity in the granting of incentives, align incentives with national development goals, encouraging investment that generates tangible economic benefits. The new act will align with the mega investment bill. Both of these initiatives will operate separately but have the same objective of building a new, resilient and inclusive economy. Strengthening tourism linkages. Mr. Speaker, this year, the Love Saint Lucia campaign will encourage hotels and citizens to love and consume more of what we produce. In other words, we will eat what we grow, we will grow what we eat, we will use what we produce, and consume locally produced products.
Agriculture and Food Security Minister Lisa Jawahir says farming is no longer limited to large plots of land and traditional methods. The program will also promote agro-processing, hydroponics, technology, science and innovation, making it easier for people in urban areas and those with limited space to get involved.
So we'll be launching our hobby farming program very soon. Saint Lucians will be very excited that each and every one of us can be farmers in our own way. People have this idea that you must have a big plot of land so you can get into farming. And people are saying, I want to be a farmer, how many acres you have? And they don't even use 5,000 or 10,000 square feet of that. So we want to think beyond just being a farmer planting and growing. We want to think of agro-processing, agripreneurs, young people who may not have to get their nails dirty if they don't want to, but can go into hydroponics or aquaponics, innovation and technology, and the science to really make it easier for us considering the effects of climate change and what we have to deal with.
Jawahir says the initiative can take root anywhere in Saint Lucia, with plans to see it spread into more towns and urban areas.
Which is also family farming, which is also backyard gardening, can be established anywhere. And for me, in particular, I'm excited to see it happen in urban areas. So say you're living in the CDC on Block X. How can I grow tomatoes in my veranda, in my balcony? You know, one day tomato might be all done in the supermarket, but I have a little tomato plant, a little cucumber plant. I can make a salad, which is healthier eating. And we really want to open the minds of our people that you don't need too much to be able to feed yourself.
She believes that with more people growing food and exploring new farming methods, Saint Lucia can move closer to producing more of what it eats and building a stronger, more self-sufficient food system. For Hot 7 TV News, I am Ethne Brown reporting.